Well, welcome. My name's Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne in Australia. It's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Monday for me. So the market's got a couple of hours before it opens up. So we'll have a look and see what happened last week, what are opportunities for this coming week. Welcome, Tom.
Hi, Brian.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Well, yeah, we're getting there. It's a busy weekend. I did charters. Anyway, that was okay. We're just very busy. Oh, it sold 10 lambs. That was good too. So
Oh,
moved on.
nice.
Yeah, no, it was lovely. Took them to the place. So it's good. Welcome, Darren.
Right.
No, oh, geez, that's almost non-existent, that scar now. Gosh,
Yeah.
can't even. Gee, you must be. Oh, it's good. So
Good
welcome to this live.
stitching.
Good stitching, yeah. Welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just note any trades discussed in this group are the class as educational only. That's because a group of people help each other. We're not financial advisors. So please don't take trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. Uh, there's a full risk disclosure, a little bit about us as live session traders. I had someone, I don't know who it is actually, reach out to me in Messenger on the weekend going, "Are you still doing trading?" It's like, yeah. And what do you want? So let's see whether they want to join or not in with their groups, yeah, with our sessions. Anyway, let us stop sharing that. Um, any action on your EAs over the?
Well, I am
Oh, here we go. Here we
um
go.
yeah, happy Forex. I've set that up now, so that's set up on a live account. That's ready to trade. Um and I've also just this evening temptation got the better of me and I have purchased the Infinity Trader. Yeah.
Infinity Trader.
That's one of the Petco did that there's a YouTube video that I put in the messenger chat, and
Yeah, yeah.
it's talking about the um, three sort of safe, if you
EAs.
like,
Yeah, yeah. Low
grid,
drawdown.
griddy, yeah, his old drawdown. And number one, he went 3-2 and then won. His top one was Infinity Trader. Now, when I went click the link, there's a flash sale on, so that was the first thing. So that's tempting. And and there was a Petco extra
This
10% off on top of that. So we got it for £174.
wow.
Um, so yeah, so the flash sale ends in 3 hours, 6 minutes and 38 seconds.
Right, yeah.
I'm just trying to see now. I'm on the site now. What's the normal price?
Where is it? And what's the thing you use?
Well, if you go on,
Actually, let's
if you
just see.
go
Hang
to
on.
the messenger chat, the link I sent a couple of
Oh yeah,
weeks
yeah, 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 yeah. Hang on a minute. We'll just
ago,
share. Where are we? Facebook there. Where's the link?
I keep scrolling up. It's
Yeah,
just a
yeah.
Petco. It's a three EAs, three grid
Yeah, sorry,
EAs.
you're in the way there. Hang on. Mm, most consistent email. That one?
A little bit further. I think that was the.
Stable. Best
No,
grid
carry
for.
on, carry on.
Oh,
That's the one, the
top
three
three.
grid EAs.
Okay.
Now, without having to watch the whole video, but if you underneath the YouTube video, if you scroll down, um, just scroll down the page. There you are.
Yeah.
Click
Wait,
where it
hang on a
says
second.
more, just to open. See where it says more there.
Oh. Hang on.
Oh, click on
Yeah,
more
more.
to open, expand that. Yeah, and it's the Infinity Trader EA, and there's a link. Can you see
Yeah,
that?
this one. Yeah.
Yeah.
TK10.
So
So we'll just open a link here.
and oops. So it's $300 off
What?
price.
Oh, up here it says, yeah.
Yeah, and to the right hand side, flash sale, $300 discount. So click on order now.
Um, Where's that? Sorry. Oh, over
To
here.
the right, to the right of the
Sorry. We
screen.
keep getting in the way. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, click on the order
197.
now button.
That's US dollars, yeah.
Yeah, but then you get the
If you do this.
click on that.
Hmm.
And then if you type Petco 10 in coupon code, there's tax on top of the Petco 10, click on apply. Right, it knocks the 10% off as well.
Oh, this is Aussie dollars. Yeah, okay.
You just click on apply and see if it works. You should do. Yeah,
Yeah,
Petco
yeah. Yeah, yeah.
10% off. So yeah.
326.31. Okay.
Anyway,
Yeah, no worries at all.
so temptation got the better of me there, so I'm getting this. It's,
Mm,
it's, it's
mm.
sort of one of my next two or three that I'm looking at. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you just add them up. So how many licenses are in this one? And
do you know what? That's a
hang on,
good question. Let's have a look. Well, by
scope
the way,
that.
on the Happy Forex, I did get the 5 license,
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah, yeah.
not 2 license.
Well, finishes in 2 hours. Okay. Um,
I didn't even look how many licenses.
one account.
Is it only one account that? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh well, I'm gonna put that on
And
the
10 demo. Oh, yeah. 2-day offer flash. Here we go. Support your needs first. Prop firm settings. Micro mini stamps. Free currency support. It doesn't say what currencies though. Account protection, drawdown protection, frequency trading. Okay. Okay. No worries.
adding that to the. I just need to
Importance of drawdown protection. Yeah.
yeah, I need some
Uh,
trades to close on some of the other accounts so I can move some across, open another account. See what I mean?
yeah,
So
yeah.
I've got my Forex set up, but I need.
Maximal drawdown is 24. Relative drawdown 450. I don't know. Over 15 years, they're saying, I don't know. Yeah, it's just, that's all just back testing. Yeah. Currently, though, it has that drawdown there. Oop. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, no, only 3%. That's not a big.
No.
Wait, no, that's really low drawdown.
Yeah. Well, that's what Petco was saying, I think, wasn't he? And he's got it on the live account and a funded account, I think.
Yeah.
Um,
17% it said there at the most. That must be for the total amount. Okay. It's hard to read this. You don't, sometimes you go like, oh, what does that mean? Hmm. Two, nearly 3% monthly. Anyway,
well, the drawdown is where you see those little yellow dips.
yeah,
That's
absolutely.
that's
Yeah, but
the
it's all
average.
relative from a graph perspective. You've got to, but this
Yeah.
17%, is that a maximum 17% or is that total of
But
17%
I
over the
think
whole
17
time?
is, yeah. Um,
And when it's saying, see the drawdown, it's saying, well, look, it only had 3%. If you add all of those drawdowns up, maybe that adds up to 17. Anyway,
yeah, that's true. Also that Euro stable that so I'm looking at that one as well. There's a Petco 20 coupon code for that to use for that one.
Hmm.
That'll probably be the next
So
one.
that's a 1 to 500 US. Yeah. Yeah. It's in the MC4 IC markets. That's a demo, US demo one. Hmm. It's not a live account. Anyway. Yeah, okay. No worries. All right then, let's well, we better go. Tom, we better go have a look at some pairs. Is there any other exciting stuff happening, Darren?
No,
That's
that's
enough for the exciting.
obviously I had to get Happy FOREX set up, so a bit of time doing
Yeah.
that. It's all ready to go.
Oh, here they are. Here's the pairs they're on. ACAD, NCAD.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? EAAI. Hmm. Don't know what pair that's on. No, 117.68. Oh, anyway, okay. We'll stop share. Oh, where are we? Well, we're over on pairs. Sorry. Okay, you ready, Tom?
Yeah.
He's been ready. We're just talking. All
No,
right.
that's all right. I'm
Well,
learning with all you guys' conversations. So
okay, no worries. Flash sale's a good idea. Good option there. If you want to get something that's will build the thing. Thank you for pointing that out, Darren.
yeah, absolutely.
All right, so AUD CAD. Now that kept climbing. It did a pullback at the end of the week. We've got a little gold at the moment. Whether it pushes up further or whether we start to look and get into a potential sell on it, but it is, pushing its way back up. Inflation rate to come for Canada. Oh, and there is a rate decision. They're looking at lowering their interest rate, 17th. Oh, in a couple of days. Okay. That normally will weaken off that currency. We'll see. Okay. So market's not open at the moment, but see what happens when things open up. AUD Now, this hasn't given us a gold indicator yet. I've got a trend line off this. It came up, touched it. You can see come off the bottom here. Anyway, it's a bit messy here now, but it has broken out the box. I think at some point here, we'll get a turnaround and a sell back out. We've got the daily for sell. We've got the 2 hour for sell. Let me have a look. I think the weekly is also, yeah. Oh, no, that's saying buying back up.
Yeah, it
But
just
that's,
says pulling back. Doesn't
yeah,
say
pulling back.
buying up.
Sorry. Well, in relation to daily and 2 hour, it would mean that it's buying back up, really. But you're right, it's a pullback, but that pullback could take a couple of months even, or a month, or
Well, yeah, but not only that, but it doesn't mean it's going to go up that way. It could pull
correct.
back up to the level of where it says short,
Yeah,
and it'll look like it filled this in, but
yeah.
it's not, and then turn around and go back down,
Back
and
down.
not
Yeah,
even beat this green one at the bottom. It'll just fill it in like a lightning
yeah,
bolt coming back up real quick. So
yeah, yeah. But
don't let the eye to be deceptive.
yeah, correct. No, I agree with what you're saying. I still think it's a sellout on the lower time frame anyway. So it's just got to find its top and then start coming back down again. You don't see
Exactly.
none of your EAs trading. You have to tell us which one any of your EAs trade, Darren, too. See where they're at. I know Euro USD is one of those.
Yeah.
And I think you have AUD NZD as well. Anyway,
Yeah.
AUD CAD.
AUD CAD I do and NZD
Oh,
CAD. They're all trading on Dark Titan. That
oh
trades
yeah, Dark Titan. Yeah, that was in a bit of a drawdown though, wasn't it?
on the AUD NZD. Yeah, I've
It's
to
on three.
three accounts.
Yeah, yeah.
The AUD NZD that's in
3 pairs, you mean?
three pairs, three separate accounts. Separate
Oh,
account for each pairs on that one.
oh, oh, you've got to set up as separate accounts. It's not running all those pairs on the one. Okay.
Yeah, when you get quite a few accounts with the dark EAs, you can change accounts as many times as you want. It's quite easy to do. So you know
Okay.
you've got that restriction that you have with some other.
Yeah, like the other one we looked at. What was that one the other day? Last week we looked at one that only had the one.
Yeah, you can only change once, can't you? But
Yeah, or something. Yeah, but but you got five.
yeah,
What was the one you were saying?
Happy
Yeah.
FOREX.
Oh, happy. Yeah, yeah, that's right. The happy ones.
The dark EAs you get five, and but you can
And
just
yeah,
change them.
number of changes.
Yeah,
Okay.
you just simply log into their site and you just change them yourself.
Okay. Lady JPY, I'm not really. Yeah, well, we're looking at that. Still hasn't hit a high. I think the Aussie dollar will just get up to a point and then fall off the cliff on most of them. Okay, AUD NZD. Just have to wait for when that occurs. Wow. So from a daily perspective, it's looking like it's going to keep climbing against that New Zealand dollar. Did a turn there. That's 1, 2, 3. Did 4 and then push back up again. Yeah. Okay. Well, you want to sell out on that, but doesn't look like that's anytime soon, unfortunately.
No.
Mm. Hang in there.
Yeah,
Drawdown is the word.
that's right.
All right. AUD Singapore. Again, I'm waiting for this to fall off the cliff. I reckon I did say at the end of last week it'll probably be at the start of this week sometime. And AUD USD. Now there's the one I'm waiting to. It's like, look up here. Did a little pullback. I think this will push back up a little bit, a bit further. Maybe not. It's really come up. What do we got here? Oh, way over, isn't it? Oh no, there you go. Oh yeah. Okay. Hasn't quite taken that out there. We'll just see what happens. Maybe this is the turning point. No gold on it at the moment. Okay. Well, actually, all these AUDs, I should be setting up sell stops on them. That's what I can do. Actually, I don't have a school run today, so I've got a charter later in the morning for the day. So I got time to do this once the market opens. Come over and have a look at this. Be good. All right, CAD CHF. It's just dancing around. Yeah, this. It's a whole week of just like going sideways. I'm not. And this is predicting they'll pull up, push down, break, and then start going up. This thing's been going down forever. Well, forever in my book, anyway.
Very long time.
Yeah. So, for it to, anyway. All right, KJ is something I think you weren't in that, Tom. It's come out. It hasn't taken out that bottom piece there. It's just pushed back up. This may disappear, but we'll see. It's not really. I'm not confident. I want this. I want this sell out. This further sell out, really, like on the daily, longer term. At the moment, it's just playing around. Okay. CHF JPY is what you were in, Tom. I think. Yeah.
Oh,
Pretty
I'm
sure
already
it's-
out of that.
Yeah, you're out. You guys push back up.
Well, it's the weekend.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I was in the buy
Mm.
and I just got out. I broke even. So
I think it's going to buy further anyway.
yeah, I do as well. I'll be back in it when market's ready to go.
Open and settles down. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's look at the euros. Euro AED. That should be.
This one I'm
Again,
still in.
you're still in it. Great.
Yeah,
But it did a little pullback at the end of the week. But I think this will sell further out.
me
But
too.
then, when all the AUDs up there turn, I think we'll get a turn on this as well. Has this got an interest rate thing? No, it's just a settlement. Okay. Canada at the moment going to lower. All right, Euro CAD. And push it up. And it's going to go further. I think it'll go a bit further. I mean, a lot, but anyway. It's bunched up on the daily, you can see there. Yeah. Wow. It only moved. Yeah, it only moved a little bit. It had one candle for the week. Oh, sorry, one brick. That's actually not a lot of movement again. So, all right, Euro CHF. It's pushed up. We'll see whether it'll come up to break and then turn back down again. You're waiting for it to get back down here, Tom.
What?
We were talking about this. You're waiting for it to, well, you were, but where you are now, you're waiting for it to push up, not break, push back down to here, and then take off.
And push back up.
Yeah, push back up. That's right.
Yeah. I'm
Wow.
currently set up for the sell.
You still there, Tom?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, were you going to say something else?
Oh no, I was saying I'm currently set up for the sell,
Yeah,
not this buy.
yeah. But
So
ultimately,
when
for it
this
to
pulls
turn,
back and doesn't break these two red wicks, or when it does, I'll look for the short out.
yeah. Okay. All right. No worries. You're a GBP. It's just been playing around too. Well, your inflation rate's going up. Oh, I reckon they're going to keep the interest at the same. So England's inflation rate's starting to climb just like US.
Mm.
That's a bit disconcerting. Going to have to buy more military stuff out of the US. Make them feel better. Okay. You're JPY. Do we get into the buy? I'm going to have to see how this goes across here, whether it breaks that, pulls back, how far, and then back up. So this is just a timing thing. You're at NZD or patience anyway. This is weird, this one. So do you want to tell me what you see. He reckons it's going to sell out, right? On this 2 hour. The daily's doing this where it's going to buy crazy back up. And the weekly is saying it's going to sell out as well. So,
Okay, but if you
yeah.
have to go, in a direction, what does your weekly say?
Sell.
The weekly says sell.
Yeah, here. I'll show you. That's the weekly. It says it's selling out.
Okay, go
Back
back to
down
your
here.
daily.
All right. And daily saying it's going to buy up.
Right. So you have to remember on the weekly time frame, you're not going to see it really move on your daily time frame because it has to fill in the bricks that are already created on the weekly.
It's got to
So
fill in the
unless it creates
bricks.
a newly weak brick that covers the span of the brick that's showing now, it's not going to show even if it moves on the daily. Go back to your weekly real quick.
Yeah. Yeah.
What I mean by that is if you were looking at these bricks right here,
Yeah.
on the monthly time frame, it would show one brick.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
And it has to
So
come
that
out of that brick to show the next brick.
yeah. So the brick that's there now is in actual fact like 5 days
Right.
on the daily. Yeah.
Okay, so you just have to think about that if you're going into a new week, because the new week is going to have to break out this this week's candle on the daily time frame.
So you're saying when you look at the daily, the
It's going to
weekly has
move within the weekly candle.
yeah, it's going to pull back up because the daily here, I'll go back to the daily. The daily saying, well, this is going to pull back up.
Mm-hmm.
So if you got that distance, it sort of will, I don't know, but
This
this
becomes
is
a wick on the higher time frame. You see the red candles?
yeah.
This would be the wick, and the body is going to move up. Then it's going to wick up here. And then the next week it's going to come back
So
down.
you're saying potentially, because that's actually a red candle. So on the daily, those red candles for the week are actually that candle, and there'll be another one, but it might wick up here somewhere and then come back down. Is that what you're saying?
Right. Yeah.
Like this one over here.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
It doesn't
That
necessarily
makes
mean that's where it's going to go as a brick.
no. But a
So as
wick
you go
may.
down the time frames, it's the exact same thing. So
Yeah.
even though it,
So
on
even
the
though this is
weekly,
saying, even though on the weekly it's saying this is sell out, and then we go on the daily, the thing is the daily's saying up, but ultimately it will, from a weekly perspective, will sell back down out.
yes, that's exactly
Good.
what I'm saying. It's got to have room
Oh,
to
gee,
move.
we took a while to get there, I tell you.
That's all right. We got it. At least we got it. So now translate that same day
Yeah. It's over
thinking
here,
into
over
the
here.
2 hours.
Yeah. The same. Yeah, so it's got to pull further down before it comes back up again. Okay. Right. Yeah. So if you think across the time frames, the weekly saying that ultimately it's going to be selling out, right?
Right.
But in the shorter term on the daily, it needs to spike up or pull up a bit before it does come back down. And on the
Right.
2 hour, it's saying that pull back down is from the daily, that pull down there before it will then longer term push back up and
Right.
then get into a longer term sell.
That's right. That's right. You just have to read across the screens.
Yeah. Well, that's what I'm doing.
Perfect.
Hmm. So
So
really,
now what you're doing is you're
yeah,
watching your 50% box.
yes,
Your
yeah,
trend
right.
line is going to tell you everything
Hang
because
on,
you
mate.
want the bigger move out. You're not worried about what it's doing right now. You want it
Yeah,
to never come back to
yeah,
this
yeah,
box
yeah,
again.
yeah, correct. Yeah,
That's what you're looking to get the sell out
yeah, yeah,
on the higher time frame of the weekly time frame.
yeah, 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 yeah. To pull away from that box and not come back. You're absolutely right. Yeah. Okay. Hmm.
Because trying to predict all these little ups and downs in here and pushes and
Is
pulls and everything
yeah.
else, you just want to be in the right direction.
Actually, yeah, yeah. And then you can either be in it for a longer term or you can get out and back in and out, back in again. It's up to you as long as
Or
you've
just
got your,
picking up secondary and third trades, you
yeah,
know?
yeah, yeah. Okay. Right. Yeah. Next one, Euro Singapore, which none of you trade. That's okay. We're talking about that to sell, but it's going to have to break high. Okay. Euro USD, where are you? Oh, you don't like this? That's not a good look, is it?
That's a great look.
Yes.
For me, it's
Sorry.
not.
I was going to say, for Darren, it's not. It's still cranking its way up, Darren, isn't it? Mm.
What does the weekly say?
Selling out.
Selling out.
Yeah, eventually it will. But what it's going to have to do is do a bit of a. It's going to have to
Pull
pull up
back.
higher before it falls off.
Yeah, it's going to have to complete the
I
pullback
it,
and then push
it
down.
it's going to have to be underneath Darren's safety net amount and then drop off and for him to profit up as it goes all the way down.
How deep are you into this?
The
Uh,
moment,
drawdown percentage. I think
I'll tell you.
you're still making profits. It's just being drawn down by a lower by drawdown and equity issue.
About 7.5%. Yeah. 7.75%
Okay.
in drawdown. Um,
And
Yeah.
what's the safety net on it?
um,
You need a spreadsheet with these things.
I mean, as soon as if and when these trades do close out, I'm reducing the balance on this account and putting it into one of the others to just help spread, just spreading that risk rate. Well, I want to get Infinity Trader up and running, so that's
Which EA is this one you
this is
talked about?
Proctor. This one,
It's
Proctor.
Proctor. Okay, yeah.
Um,
Which is out of the same stable as Sharpshooter.
no, it's not. No, it's separate. Proctor.
Oh, Proctor's a
Proctor.
separate one.
I got that one before I'd even heard of EA Academy. That was
Oh,
me doing my own thing.
oh, right, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that was early in
Uh,
the piece then.
um,
But it is in the EA Academy though, Proctor though, isn't
it
it?
is, yeah, yeah. It's in the
Yeah,
100K
yeah.
account. They've never done a video on it yet. I think it's 1895 is the. That's sorry, I wouldn't be saying that. It's not a. It's 25% basically. I
Right.
think 5%.
25% drawdown is the
I think
safety.
25% it would just
Close it
close
out.
it out.
Okay. No worries. Okay.
So we're nowhere near that sort of level, but
No, but it could. See, the thing is, it could know what the market could know that it's 25, take it up to 26, and
Yeah,
then just drop it down.
yeah,
I mean,
absolutely.
that's anyway.
I
All right
see
then.
markets watching me like a hawk.
Yeah,
We're going to get it.
I
We're
think
going to
it's the
get it.
whole market, not just IC market. I think the
Yeah.
whole market's going, what the hell is Darren? Come on, let's try and put him under a bit of pressure.
We
You
can't have
know,
this making profit.
no, 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 no. You can't have him following Petco and making money out of this.
Uh,
Anyway, okay, GA. Yeah, still selling out. These AUDs. Oh my God. It is quite phenomenal what is going on with the AUD. It's yeah, it's like it's just plowing on through all of the currency pairs. Did you get that sellout, Tom? Or you
No, no,
yeah.
I'm waiting for the pullback.
Hmm. Yeah. Like when all the AUDs turn, that's what we'll see them all against all the currencies. Okay. Maybe not AUD NZD, but we'll see. That's normally the one out of it. Okay, GBP CAD. That keeps pushing up as well. Looks like as if the CAD, and I think it will break out the box here, come up, pull back down again, maybe take out you've got this um, liquidity down here, potentially go back out again. I mean, it's saying from the daily, and they still pull back. Oh, it might even come back down here. Where's that? Oh no, no, that's okay. As I said, maybe just back down to here and then take back off again. All right, I want to be in the buys on this. GBP check. Ooh. You were talking about this, Tom. Is
Yep,
it ready? You ready to get in?
I was in. I got out, and now I'm going to wait for the
Oh,
market to reopen again. Again, I broke
get
even.
back.
I didn't lose anything, so I just got out,
Yeah,
and then I'm waiting to get back into the buy.
yeah. I'm waiting to get for the sellout. I reckon longer term, this is going to sell. But if you want to get some buy out of it, why not?
Well, mine says it's going a little higher than yours.
Yeah, okay. And I think it will too. Like it's coming up to the trend bar. And what it does is when it comes back to the trend bar, it tends to go green for a bit and then pull back down again. So
That and you have no wick at the top of this gold bar that it's gonna go higher than.
this one here,
Yeah,
yeah.
except it's not
Okay.
going to beat the wick. If you slide over to your left, it's not going to beat that wick right there.
Okay. Went down. Okay.
So it'll
All
make
right.
a short-term high and then create a bigger low to
Like
follow
as
the on
you've
the daily.
yeah, and then drop off. Okay. GJ. Ooh. Change this. What am I doing? What is that? Crazy stuff. Oh, look at it. It's just up above. But it could make a wick. We got 1, 2, 3. It wicked up. Its price went up above it, but let's see. When the market opens, I think it's either going to keep pushing it up, and the daily says it's going to. Which one, Tom?
Well, I'm in for the buy until it tells me
Are you
differently.
really?
Yeah,
Let's
absolutely.
see on the weekly. What's it? Yeah, that's buying too. Okay. That's a bit deceptive, this sellout on the 2 hour, though. I agree with you, Tom. I think this is going to buy too. Been bunched up though for quite a while here,
Exactly.
and then it's going to break out. All right then. GN. It's not something I'm necessarily interested in this one. And G Singapore, I'm not either. So GU though, I think we're looking at that one for a potential buyout. Now, it's all bunching up as well. It has broken out of that box, but where is it now? See where it pushed up out, pulled back down, didn't give us a gold, pushed back up and wicked out. So
Mhm.
it's like a bit of a bunch up going on.
So it just created a knuckle, right?
Yeah,
Okay. You're looking for things on those knuckles to determine which way it's going to go to continue. Follow your trend line.
I think it'll buy.
That's what I'm saying. If your trend
Yeah.
line is blue, look for buys.
Yeah, but
If
not
your
only
trend line
that,
is
we've got
white,
to,
look for
yeah.
sells.
So, yeah, but we've also got a wick down here,
Yeah,
which
it's back
is,
filling.
yeah, for it to
So
push back up.
it's gonna create inline liquidity.
Yeah,
Those two wicks. See
yeah,
those
yeah,
two
yeah.
wicks? It's
Yep.
gonna turn around, create a gold bar here at the top, pull
Yeah,
down, create a gold
yeah.
bar at the bottom, make
And
new
then,
equal lows, and take off. When this
yeah.
comes back to start the run down for the daily,
Yeah.
it's going to have to take out those two equal lows.
Yeah. Mm. Yeah, okay. But the situation of being able to take trades is taking trades, either setting it up for the future or taking trades in the moment or in the near future. And it's more likely a buy until we can get into this longer term sell back out. Okay. NZDs, NCAD
I'm still in this one.
for the buy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I think we'll get another pullback. But that's it. That was the end of the week. So market pullback. You didn't close it out at the end of the week, this one.
Now I'm in. We're going.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, Look at it this way. I have the red bars on your daily.
Yeah.
Basically, that's a gold brick. So I'm waiting for a new gold brick
Yeah.
on the weekly time frame.
Okay. Yep. Mm-hmm.
So as
For it
far
to
as I'm
take
concerned, we're
a
still traveling up.
see.
I'm in this trade already. I'll just let it run.
Yeah. Okay. NZDCHF. That's taken off as well. All right. I'm not looking at that either of those at the minute, but I may come back to that. NZDJPY. Right. We're looking at a pullback before we get a buy on it. It's whether it will break there. Look, it's a new start of the week. What are we, middle of the month? Daily saying it's going to buy up. It may come up and break out the box. Yeah, I've had that on there. Oh no. Bit unknown this one at the minute. See what happens when market opens and starts. It's actually gone up above current break or the completed break. See. Okay, NU. Again. I think this New Zealand dollar is saying it's gonna try and break up past that. Okay. Singapore Japanese. That's just been stuck in them ages. Okay, UCAD. Now, where are you with UCAD, Tom?
On UCAD,
Yeah,
I am waiting for uh, if you could oh, I just had a brain freeze. If you could drag that white 50% box down to the very bottom real quick.
Down further. You mean down to here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. So now we know it hit the 50% box.
Ah, here and here. Yeah.
Yeah. You can take that box off real quick. Just remove it. Adjust your fib from the new high to the new low, which is that double bottom right there. Yep. Flip the fib over.
Gotta come back here.
Perfect. Okay. So now grab it. I'm sorry. I had you remove the box. Grab the 50% box for me real quick.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I can put those on.
From the current high to low. Yep. Okay. So anything that gives me a gold brick,
Yeah.
once it comes back into this box, anywhere inside this box that gives me a gold brick above that 50, I'm buying it out.
Yeah. Yeah. I agree. Yeah. I don't think it'll break any of these. I think once it's below that 50, if you get the 61.9 or the 88, then it's more likely to push back up.
Yep.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's UCAD. You've got one of yours. What is it? Eternals or something in it? No. What was the other one?
UCAD, Eternals, yeah.
Eternals, UCAD, yeah.
Still going well. Market Master trades UCAD as well, doesn't it? Did I read that correctly? Or I haven't got Market Master, but
Market Master, yeah, no, I don't know. Can't remember.
Yeah, no, Eternals, UCAD, that's been quietly sort of getting on with it, I don't.
Yeah, you were saying.
Been no dramas with that one at all.
Yeah. That's what you want. You want no dramas. You want to just
I mean, I suspect there is going to be a bit of a drama at some point, but so far so good. Just chugging away in the background.
Ones who don't notice too much, but are doing their job.
Yeah.
All right.
I mean,
USD CHF.
6%.
Yeah, you were saying on Friday, you said 6% and it was minimal drawdown, if anything.
Yeah, 11th of June, so that's 3 months.
That's great. 2% a month. You can't argue about that. And if there's minimal drawdown.
Yeah, 2% a month, that's 24% a year.
Yeah.
Or it's a bit more if compounded, yeah.
Yeah, they're lovely. All right, USD CHF. I'm looking for sells out of this one, but anyway. All right, UJ. That again's all messy. Look at this. Just doesn't want to an old US currency. Okay, US Singapore. Again, all sort of bunched up. Gold, 3.6. Look at that. It did bunch up, so it's got a gold brick and it's pulling back. But I think this will probably disappear and it'll still keep going. Let's see what happens this week. But so you got Happy Gold's working too, isn't it, in the background, and
Yeah.
something else. Dark gold, was it, or
Dark gold is still not set up.
oh, Darren, what
Well, I
what
need,
is
as
going?
I was saying, I need, because I've got this floating loss on
Ah,
bronze.
Euro USD, yeah.
I want to move some funds out of that one when those trades
Yeah.
close, and
That could be 6 months away.
it could be. I don't
Oh,
think it'll take
come
that
come
long.
on. Just release a bit more out of consolidated funds, mate.
I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna bottom this pit of money here. So
No, I'm only kidding.
wish I
It's all
had.
right. Okay, Bitcoin's jump back to 115. And it looks like it might go a bit further too. Look, they got it rocketing up here on the daily. It's not going to the sky.
Yeah.
We'll see. And then oil is still just mulling around that 62.5. I was saying the other day, because it's like there's too much oil coming out, and there's US has got inflation. There's going to be less demand out of the US, so oil prices are going to drop off. We'll see. Anyway, okay, that's that one. That's your lot. That's how it works. So
That's how it works.
that's how it works. So Infinity, you've got it. You just haven't set it up yet.
No, need to release some funds for that. But yeah, happy Forex. That's all set up, ready to go.
Good,
No.
good. We'll see when the market opens or whatever.
So
Yeah.
I've got 10 of them now. I think one, two, three.
Yeah, you gotta make a spreadsheet or something so we
Yeah,
can follow it. Just maybe a Google Sheets or something, and then
yeah, yeah.
you can anyway, whatever. I'll start making one too. Anyway, I chatted to the son-in-law on the weekend, so we want the happy package, and that Infinity looks like, and then Market Maker as well, and we'll have to get them all actioned. Well, anyway, all right. So is that any other news? Any other? Huh?
Not for
Nothing?
me.
No?
Oh,
Just Euro's going to, is it Euro that's going to lower their interest rate later in a couple of days or something, was it? No, Canada. Sorry. Canada.
pound interest rate decision for the pound this week.
No, but they say it's going to stay the same.
Yeah,
No, it's Canada that's going to lower their interest rate potentially on the 17th. So that's only in a couple of days. No, well, you're actually only on the 14th at the moment, so I'm already on the 15th. But yeah. All right. Well, thanks for telling us about the flash sale, Darren. I think I'll
yeah,
action that one.
yeah.
Get that happening. It's worth it, like, to get that sort of thing.
Yeah, it's been tested and it's
Yeah.
Petco's top three of safer grid. I don't think he was necessarily suggesting. I was having a look again for funded accounts, but it was what he's saying there. There's a safer grid EA.
Mm,
Does
mm.
uses grid, but not martingale.
Yeah, well, that's
Sort of
Infinity. What
number.
else? There was two others, wasn't there?
Yeah, that was his sort of number one of the.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then there's also that Euro stable, which is the other chap, the South African guy. He's
Oh, yeah.
I think there's a flash sale on with that one as well at the minute.
Oh.
And
Mm.
a discount code.
Mm, mm, mm.
Petco 20, I think it is. It's a sale on a Petco 20.
Oh, well, we'll just see how we go, eh?
Yeah. So, yeah, I'll probably get to about a dozen of these things, and that'll probably have to be it for a while then, and then I'll sort of start having a look at fundeds again.
Yeah.
I sort of think Happy Gold could work on funded accounts. So there's no drawdown with that at all.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, because it's in and out pretty
It's
quick.
in and
Yeah.
out within seconds, so
Mm, mm,
it's just down to win rate really.
mm.
Risk of 1% per trade. So we need to lose 10 of them to at least 10, wouldn't it, to breach the static drawdown on a funded account, the 10%
Yeah.
draw. You've got to
Mm,
think to perform better than that. Well, it does. Yeah, it's been tested. It's quite well. So that could work on a funded account.
yeah. Yeah. Uh, anyway, all right then.
Okay.
No worries. Okay, so I hopefully see you tomorrow morning. Or my morning anyway, your day. And just see how it goes. As you said, a dozen of them, and then you can work out if any of them aren't worthwhile. I mean, even though you bought it, I mean, if you find that it's not right in that condition, you can you get out of it, you get out and then use it again later or something. It's just because you're invested in it doesn't mean that it's going to be perfect, is it? In all market conditions. So, all right. Just
Yeah.
remember, all we're trying to do is make a bit of cash out of it.
Mhm.
All right, yeah, Tom. We'll see you later, mate.
All
See
right,
you,
take
Darren.
care, guys.